Welcome to this short fixing demonstration for Alumaflex multifoil insulation. Designed for loft conversions, timber frame and barn conversions. Alumaflex insulation is manufactured in the UK in different sized rolls, ranging from 10 metre square, 12 metre square and 15 metre square. The rolls comprise 14 layers that provide effective barriers to all forms of heat transfer, radiant, convection and conduction. Alumaflex is lightweight and is easy to handle and work with. To fix Alumaflex, all you need are sharp scissors or textile shears, and either a manual or electric stapler. For the overlap, we recommend 75mm Alumaflex foil tape and 14mm staples to fix into the timber. Before fixing Alumaflex, you will need to fix insulation in between the studwork or rafters. This can be done in PIR, mineral wool or a second layer of Alumaflex. Thicknesses can vary and will be determined by building control and target U values. For more information and advice on U values, please visit alumaflex.com or talk to IP Products. Alumaflex is quick and easy to fix. To begin, take a piece of Alumaflex off the main roll using a sharp pair of scissors. Offer the piece up to the underside of the rafters and staple into place. Continue to staple vertically down the rafters at approximately 300mm centres. The overlap should have between 75 and 100mm overlap, and taped using Alumaflex self-adhesive foil tape. This can be done both vertically and horizontally. Continue this process across the roof area until complete. Ensure any excess Alumaflex is trimmed away using scissors or a Stanley knife. Finally, fix 1-inch battens to provide a secure fixing for the plasterboards. It is important to maintain a 25mm airspace between the insulation and plasterboard to ensure maximum thermal performance. Alumaflex insulation provides a great solution to insulating new and existing walls and roofs, compared with conventional mass insulation. It provides a time-saving and cost-effective solution, maximises headroom, reduces waste, and acts as an effective vapour barrier. Alumaflex controls all three forms of heat transfer: radiant, convection and conduction, which means it will keep the building warm in winter and cool in summer. For more information on Alumaflex, visit www.alumaflex.com or talk to IPP on 01 621 776252.